Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this clam linguine. Let's get started! While the pasta is boiling, let's saute our ingredients. First, let's add the olive oil. And let's add the onion. And let's add the garlic. And let's add a clam. Cover and simmer this for 6 to 8 minutes over medium heat. The pasta is perfect! Our clams. Let's take out the clams. I took out the clams from the shells and leaving some for garnish later. Now let's continue cooking. Now let's add the linguine. Let's add the clams. Let's add some lemon zest. Squeeze some lemon juice. Let's add more parsley, the butter, and my linguine is done. Let's give this linguine a try. This is super delicious. Yummy! Clam.